Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Hohosb or Hohosb 3-in-1 Zinc-Alloy Foldable Magnetic Charging Station. It's compatible with Magsafe charger for our iPhone 14, 13, 12 and the new 15 series too. For our AirPods Pro or for all kind of Apple Watches like 876 or the Ultra version, no prop for it. It will handle everything, of course, because we have here a high quality texture. Experience the pinnacle of elegance and sophistication with this charger. Featuring high quality zinc-alloy texture, sun pattern technology, ABS panel and glass panel. The design in the light luxury style radiates pure sophistication. Just breathtaking, of course. It's an 3-in-1 zinc-alloy foldable magnetic charging station for you. Effortlessly charge up to 3 of our Apple devices at the same time with this Magsafe charger. This charging station is compatible with the iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series and Magsafe cases. It's not compatible with the iPhone 11 or earlier models if you like to use the Magsafe system. We keep our iPhone series, our AirPods and the Apple Watches fully charged with the included 18-watt QC 3.0 adapter and cable guarantee. We have strong magnetic and automatic absorption. This charger is equipped with high-quality magnets that provide exceptional suction power, securely holding our device in the perfect position by locking it automatically for efficient and stable charging. And we have a foldable travel design and a safe adjustable view. Experience the convenience of multi-angle Magsafe charging for our iPhone series with this charger. We adjust the angle according to our preferences. Landscape for watching videos or portrait for texting and face recognition. The compact size makes it easy to carry in our pocket, at work, at home or on the go, so we can charge our device anytime and anywhere. And as you can see, other devices like Samsung devices or other smartphones too with QI, with the G standard, can recharge on this plate too. But only in flat position, of course, because they does not have this Magsafe compatible thing. Because this is not only exclusive for the iPhone, but it's exclusive for the Magsafe iPhone thing. If you like to reload it while it is upright. With its raised high design, this charger station prevents damage to our camera and ensures uninterrupted stable charging by eliminating gaps between the phone and the charger. Rest assured of its safety and reliability as a wireless charger. It also makes an excellent gift choice for men and women alike. We snap and charge, as you can see. This charger's Magsafe orientation ensures easy and effortless charging without the hassle of plugging and unplugging the charging cable. We keep our desk neat and tidy. For the best charging experience, we use either Magsafe cases or no cases at all. And safety and health. Introducing this Magsafe wireless charging station equipped with a premium smart chip and a professional magnetic insulation sheet. It does not emit harmful radiation and is safe for the elderly and children in our household too. With overvoltage, overcurrent, short-circuit protection and temperature control, we can rest assured that our charging experience will be both safe and optimal too. Wow, and it looks really cool and nice. The input port is a Type-C, so you can use it, of course, with the included AC adapter, but you can also use it with other power sources like power bank or your computer system as well. The input voltage are DC 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere. The output phone is possible 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and 5 watt. We can make for the earphones maximum 5 watt and for the watch 2.5 watt maximum. The material which this device is made from is zinc-alloy plus PC plus ABS plus silica gel and glass. The size is 126 to 67 to 20 millimeter, and here it comes with a strong magnetic observation. A built-in premium magnet achieves an accurate alignment to the wireless charging reloading port, where we have a device which can reload three devices simultaneously, and that's really cool, and it looks so beautiful and nice. You have some LED indicators on it: standby, will off, then mobile phone charging, blue light, earphone charging, blue light, mobile phone and earphone charging simultaneously, blue light. Oh, you can see it's easy. We choose a qualified PD protocol or a QC protocol power charger. Otherwise, it may lead to unstable charge or abnormal blinks. If we use a protective shell, we have to use the mobile phone protection shell with Magsafe function. Otherwise, maybe it cannot be used for reloading. We do not use the mobile phone protection shell with the metal back of the mobile phone protection shell, which is thicker than 4 millimeter. They can make problems by recharging our phone too. So you can see it is a nice device to reload a lot of devices for you, like earphones, like smartphone and watches. Really cool. This is the Hohosb wireless charger. It is a 3-in-1 Zinc-Alloy Foldable magnetic charging station. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.